Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krishna. So we don't say can I come in, we use may I come in. Okay.
May I come in?
Okay, let's read these.
Yes, ma'am. Could. Could indicates past ability, polite permission, or possibility. Example. Could you pass me the salt, please?
Hmm. अब ये हमेशा पास्ट में नहीं होता. If we both are sitting on a table and if I ask you to pass me the spoon or something or salt, I will say could you please pass it to me? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
It's
I?
basically something, very polite permission or
Right.
possibility.
Yes. Permission या फिर polite orders हो गया. Like
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Could you please complete that work for me? So it is a very polite
Mhm.
demand, I should say. Okay.
Demand.
Could you, देखो, they've written ना, could you pass me the salt, please? So that is polite
Yes,
request.
ma'am.
Now, may
Polite
indicates
way.
permission, might indicates a slight possibility or uncertainty. But you are not
Uncertainty.
sure. But what is the difference between may and might?
Ma'am, I think may, we are sure.
Sure is will. In May, it we are indicating, we are hinting at possibility or uncertainty.
Possibility.
मतलब या तो आर या पार, मतलब हो भी सकता और नहीं भी हो सकता.
नहीं भी हो सकता.
हाँ.
एंड मैम माइट इज समथिंग शायद हो सकता है, शायद नहीं हो सकता.
मतलब बात तो वही है, बट जहां पे थोड़ी परमिशन की बात आती है ना, देन वी टेंड टू
वहां
यूज
पे मे इज
मे.
मे.
हाँ. ठीक है. देखो सेम है, परमिशन, पॉसिबिलिटी, अनसर्टिनिटी. अगेन माइट इज ऑल्सो सेम. सो देयर
यस
माइट
मैम.
बी फ्यू केसेस वेयर मे एंड माइट बोथ विल गो. बट उस क्वेश्चन में फिर वो आपको वो दोनों ऑप्शंस में नहीं देंगे. सो
यस
समटाइम्स
मैम.
मे, समटाइम्स माइट. ओके.
Things might.
Shall is just like indicating
Future
future
action.
actions or offers. We shall meet again next week. Now we shall meet या फिर we will meet. will क्या होगा कि भाई पक्का हो गया एकदम 100% कि मैं मिलूंगा ही मिलूंगा नेक्स्ट
एंड
वीक.
हम शैलो के शायद मिल सकते हैं. मे बी वी कैन मीट.
शैल मतलब कि मिलेंगे, मतलब आगे कुछ नहीं, मिलेंगे. वी शैल मीट.
यस मैम.
वी शैल. ओके. शुड इंडिकेट्स एडवाइस, रिकमेंडेशन.
Obligation, recommendation.
यस. यू शुड
You
अपोलोजाइज.
should join the gym. Ma'am, we can say you should join the gym. So
यस.
I'm recommending a person that you should join the gym or advising that person.
यस. अब अगर एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, यू डैश नॉट स्मोक इन हॉस्पिटल, ठीक है, तो शुड नॉट या फिर मस्ट नॉट.
You should not.
व्हाई नॉट मस्ट? इन हॉस्पिटल आई एम आस्किंग.
Okay.
सी
You must not
हॉस्पिटल इज अ
smoke in.
प्लेस वेयर वी कैन नॉट स्मोक. तो अगर मैं किसी को एडवाइस दूंगी, दैट विल बी शुड, यू शुड नॉट स्मोक. बट वो बड़ा
So
ना
ma'am, it really
टाइट हो
must
गया.
not.
हाँ, बिकॉज
Because now I'm telling the person that it's not you must not. I'm giving an order to the person.
ऑर्डर एंड ऑल्सो अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एडवाइस, आई शुड से. मतलब अगर मुझे थोड़ा सा डिस्टिंक्टिवली बताना होगा, आई विल से दैट कृष्णा, देर इज अ स्लाइट डिफरेंस बिटवीन शुड नॉट एंड मस्ट नॉट. दैट इज, मस्ट में आप उसके पीछे पड़ रहे हो कि नहीं तुझे नहीं करना ये चीज, यू मस्ट नॉट डू इट.
Yes, ma'am.
मॉरली इनकरेक्ट, समथिंग विच इज मॉरली इनकरेक्ट.
Ma'am, like, you added the word hospital, so it became must not.
यस.
क्या हम करना ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
Ma'am, if it wouldn't having you, if you have not used hospital, then it can be advice also. You should not smoke.
यस.
Then
यस.
I'm advising a person that you should not
Exactly.
smoke.
Very good. So it will depend upon sentence, that what the sentence
Sentence, yeah.
is demanding.
Situation, the scenario.
सिचुएशन सिनेरियो. गुड. विल इंडिकेट्स फ्यूचर एक्शन, विलिंगनेस और सर्टेनिटी. अब देखो यहाँ पे
Unity.
विल में होता है सर्टेनिटी कि भाई हाँ होगा ही होगा.
होगा ही होगा, पक्का पक्का.
पक्का. ठीक है. आई विल हेल्प यू विद योर प्रोजेक्ट, दैट्स फाइन. वुड इंडिकेट्स पास्ट हैबिट्स, मतलब विल का पास्ट, वुड, कैन का पास्ट, कुड.
Would. That's good.
कंडीशनल सिचुएशन,
Yes, ma'am.
वुड यू लाइक सम टी. अब मैं विल यू लाइक सम टी नहीं बोल सकती,
Yes, ma'am. Would you
है ना.
like some tea?
वुड यू लाइक सम टी, वुड यू लाइक अ पिज्जा, वुड यू लाइक टू ऑर्डर समथिंग. वुड.
Would.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
हम्म. Okay, Krisha, first, which modal verb is used to express possibility or probability in the past?
Could.
Could, good. But they have written might. Could is also fine here. You can use could.
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे हम कहते हैं ना पास में, I could have done that. I could have.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is also correct
मैं
here.
कर सकता था.
Yes. Which modal verb is used to indicate ability or capacity in the present?
Ability or capacity in the present.
Hmm.
Mm. Can.
Can. Good. Which modal verb is used to express obligation or necessity? Necessity.
Ma'am, necessities maybe will.
Mhm. Obligation, necessity मतलब करना ही होगा.
करना ही होगा. Must.
Hmm. Must. Which modal verb is used to ask for permission or to give permission? Permissions.
You may.
Very good. Me. Which modal verb is used to express advice or recommendation? Advice.
Should.
Good. Which modal verb is used to express strong possibility or certainty?
Certainty.
Strong probability मतलब जहां पे थोड़े से और चांसेस हैं.
Might.
Certainty. Certainty.
Will.
Will. क्योंकि देखो strong हो गया ना.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
modal verb is used to express a past possibility that did not happen?
Could.
They have not given. Yes, good. Good. Okay, they've given. Which modal verb is used to make polite requests or suggest?
Ma'am, should.
Request or suggest.
Could.
Which modal verb
I
is
mean, should only. Could only.
could, yeah. Possibility or
Yeah.
permission in the future.
Should.
Should, will. Future उन्होंने again
Will.
possible permission के लिए लिया ना कि will you come and meet me? Will you go there?
Okay.
So, see, modals
Okay.
are little confusing, but once we practice it,
Definitely.
you will get to know the usage. Like I told you, ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पे might use हुए तो might ही use हो सकता है may भी आ जाए यहाँ पे. Okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is how. And so, Krishna, again, I'm asking you the same question. Are you getting a little confident about CUET preparation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll figure out some new things that we can do in the next class for CUET, and then we'll practice those.
Ma'am, one spoken activity, ma'am, we can do in class.
Which one?
Ma'am, like I used to do, ma'am, in my old times,
Hmm.
when, ma'am, when I used to learn English from another teacher.
Hmm.
Ma'am, what she used to do, ma'am, she used to give me a topic.
Okay.
Not a very difficult one, but an easy topic. And then, ma'am, she used to put a timer for 2 or 3 minutes.
Hmm.
And then, ma'am, without stopping,
Jam.
continuously, ma'am, I had
That
to
is
speak
jam.
for,
Just
yes,
a
ma'am, jam
minute.
session.
Yeah. So these
Jam
sessions are
session.
very good. They actually foster a lot of thoughts in your brain. So it's a
Yes,
very good
ma'am.
thing. Like I also do this a
Ma'am,
lot of
because,
times.
sometimes,
Hmm.
ma'am, sometimes, we are made to stand at a position that, come, it's your chance, please speak
Exactly.
a few words.
Exactly. So you have to be confident. You
So,
have
ma'am,
to
if you
have
have a
mind.
habit of speaking,
Very good.
then, ma'am, we can do this.
Yes, we can. For sure. Okay, so let me know whenever you can take next class. And I think till today we have completed 8 classes, Krisha.
Yes, ma'am. 8
Eight.
classes.
So next class onwards, we'll be starting your new classes because we have 8 classes in a month.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can start your fresh classes next in the next session, right?
Also, ma'am, Mama was saying that please send the fee structure to her.
Yeah, I'll just speak to Mama today.
Sure,
Whenever
ma'am.
she's free, na, just drop me a text, Krisha. I'll call her.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Bye, Krisha.
Bye, ma'am.